Actress Kerry Washington, mother is Jamaican. R&B singer Alicia Keys, father is Jamaican. LA rapper Tyga, father is from Jamaica. Rapper Bobby Shmurda is Jamaican. Artist and Black Eyed Peas member will.i.am has Jamaican parents. Minister Louis Farrakhan, father is from Jamaica. R&B singer Maya, father is Jamaican. Rapper Uncle Luke has a Jamaican father. Model Tyson Beckford, parents are from Jamaica. Sandra Denton Pepper of the rap group Salt-N-Pepa was born in Kingston, Jamaica. Former Secretary of State Colin Powell, mother and father, are Jamaican. Both parents of the late rapper Notorious B.I.G. are from Jamaica. Rapper and actor Christopher Reid has a Jamaican father. Former NBA star Patrick Ewing was born in Jamaica. Bushwick Bill was born in Kingston, Jamaica. Model Naomi Campbell, parents are from Jamaica. Actress Cheryl Lee Ralph, mother is from Jamaica, and Big E. Langston, parents are from Jamaica. The father of David Patterson, the first black New York governor, is from Jamaica. Rapper Astro, mother is from Jamaica. Singer and model Grace Jones was born in Spanish Town, Jamaica. NBA player Ben Gordon, mother and father, are from Jamaica. The mother of political activist Harry Belafonte is from Jamaica. The founder of hip-hop music, DJ Kool Herc, was born Clive Campbell in Kingston, Jamaica. Both parents of model Camille McDonald are from Jamaica. Rapper Busta Rhymes has Jamaican parents. Rapper Cannabis was born in Kingston, Jamaica. Rapper Chub Rock was born in Kingston, Jamaica. Late rapper Heavy D was born in Mandeville, Jamaica. Actor Corbin Bleu has a Jamaican father. Rapper Pete Rock, parents are from Jamaica. Rapper KRS-One, father is Jamaican. Artist Sean Kingston, parents are from Jamaica. R&B singer Olivia was born in Kingston, Jamaica. Both parents of the late pioneer journalist Gil Noble were Jamaican. Pioneer rapper Slick Rick, parents are from Jamaica. 80s rapper Special Ed, mother and father are from Jamaica. Rapper Gunplay, mother is from Jamaica. Television newscaster Al Roker, mother is Jamaican. Former heavyweight champion boxer Lennox Lewis, parents are Jamaican.